Hello, my name is Andrei Ignat. I am a C# MVP, and in this video I will show you one of my favorite tools. Today I want to speak about how to add functionality to a class. So there are two methods, one by partial class, other by extension. Let's see the first item. In the first item, we have a class that is auto-generated by Visual Studio Code. So this is auto-generated, this is code was generated by a tool. I have the settings class, I have put something like a connection database, and I want to improve the settings. But if I edit here and I modify the settings, my modification will be lost because the code is auto-generating. So the solution is to add a new class, and if in this class I name settings new, I will profit by the fact that the settings is partial. So I put settings in this class too, and I put the same public partial class settings, and I will create a method and I will expect that in this method I could call, for example, the property connection database, and I put this dot con. It doesn't appear. Why? Because the name of the class is not the name of the class, it's the full name. So this class settings is console application. For this class settings, it's console application dot properties. So I copy here, I put in the namespace, and now we can see the connection database that it's generated here. So again, if you have a file that is auto-generated by a tool, do not modify the file, just add a new class with the same name and the same namespace, and then you could add new methods, new properties, and so on. The second part is that what if we have something, a class that is defined in another DLL and we could not modify? We have still one method to look like we modify the class. Let's see an example. So I have a class named extension, and for string I return either null if the string doesn't parse to an integer, either the val, and I will call like extension to int and then a string. Let's see how it works. So it works well. However, it will be fine if this method to int seems to be part of the class string. For example, if I wrote this one, the method it's rather easy to do. It is the syntax sugar for putting here this and having all class and the method being static. So now we put one to int. I have put here the this and run it, and you will see two ones here, those two. So this completes my demonstration. In order to add functionality of a class, if it's auto-generated by a tool, just add a new settings, a new class with the same namespace in the same DLL, or if you have a class that is defined in another DLL and you don't have access to the source and you want to look like you have created a method in this class, you have put this and the name of the class. Here it's string, and two static extension and static to the function. Thank you.